In this video we're going to go over Builderall's Instagram Autoresponder. What is up guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video we are going to be talking about Builderall's Instagram Autoresponder. And Builderall's Instagram Autoresponder is a relatively new tool which allows you to auto-respond to people on Instagram when they make comments on your posts. So instead of having them wait days and days for something, you can automatically respond to them when they engage with your posts. And this is really powerful because people have a very short attention span these days. In fact, it's shown that most people have a shorter attention span than a goldfish, which is crazy, I know, but statistics say that that is true. And it's because of all the media and everything that's going around these days, and so many things are on demand, that our attention spans have shrunk so much over the last few years even. So the ability to grab people as soon as they respond on something and respond quickly is very important. And I can tell you this from experience. I've had people reach out to me and say, hey, I'm interested in getting involved with what you're offering. And I respond a couple of hours later and they're like, oh, I went to someone else because you didn't respond fast enough. So Instagram Autoresponder allows you to catch people and respond to people as soon as they comment, which is very powerful, like I said, because of the attention span. So without further ado, let's jump in.
The Instagram Autoresponder is an automation tool which allows you to engage your followers on your social media. So when someone comments on your posts, then you can automatically follow up with them and automatically respond. So like it says, don't leave your followers waiting, automatically follow up with the Instagram Autoresponder. So if we click in here, we can have a little peek at the Instagram Autoresponder. So here we can add our Instagram account, and I don't actually have a business Instagram account, so I'm not going to show you how this works in this video, but I will be adding a business account so I can show you in a more in-depth tutorial. So really useful tool if you want to automatically respond to people who are responding and commenting on your posts in Instagram.
So there you have a quick overview of the Instagram Autoresponder, and I hope you see how it can value you and help you catch clients before they jump somewhere else. So if you found the value in this tool and are ready to get started with Builderall, if you haven't already, click the link in the description to start your 7-day unlimited free trial of the Builderall platform, including the Instagram Autoresponder and all 29 plus tools which are included in the Builderall platform. And as always, if you found this video useful, please smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos, and I will see you in another video.